Okay, write the slope-intercept form of the equation. Here's the deal. Some of you still don't know. What's slope-intercept form? Well, we all know it. Okay. But here's what you don't know. What are the two pieces you need to get in order for it to be? What two pieces of information do you need for it to be in slope-intercept form? Yeah, so what's M? So you need the slope and you need the what? Okay, you're always going to get the y-intercept. Here's the y-intercept. The y-intercept is at 0, 3. Now, so there's our b right there. That gives our b. Now to find the slope, all we need is one other point. It goes exactly through that point right there. So rise over run. Some of you still don't get it. Rise over run. It goes up 1. That's positive. And it goes to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. So our slope is 1 over 4, 1/4. So your answer is just y equals 1/4 x plus 3. That's it. That's all we're doing. Look at number 2. What is the y-intercept here? 0. That's 0, 0. That's where it goes through crosses the y-axis. So there's my b. Now all I need to do is find the slope. Okay, I always start with my y-intercept. And it goes through exactly through this point right here. So it goes up 1, rise over run, goes up 1, but to the left 1. That's negative 1. 1 over negative 1 is just negative 1. So there's our m. So I can write this as y equals negative x. Remember, you don't have to put the 1, and you don't have to write plus 0. Oops, sorry about that. There it is, right there. All right, let's look at number 3. Here it is. It's at the y-intercept at 0, 0. Do we agree with that? So the y-intercept, 0, 0. There's our b. Now, it goes through, let's call this point right here, all the way up there. So it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 over, goes to the right, 1. What's 5 over 1 equal to? 5. So there's our m. So your answer is y equals 5x. Question so far. Two pieces of information is all you need. All right, here's a catch. I haven't mentioned this. Is the slope of this going to be positive or negative? Negative. But here's our y-intercept. That's where we always start. So it's at 0, 2. There's our b. Now, let's see if we can find a point that it goes through. I don't think it goes through anything till down here. Okay. All righty. So it goes down. We got to count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we're counting down, that's negative over 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 7 over 4 does not reduce. So there's our m. So my answer here would just be y equals negative 7/4 x plus 2. Try number 5. Shh. Okay, number 5. The y-intercept's right here. 0, negative 5. So there's our b. And it goes through this point, the x-intercept. So that means this one goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it's positive. 5 over goes to the right, 1, 2. That's a positive number. So our m is 5/2. So y equals 5/2 x minus 5, because that's negative 5. How many of y'all got that one? Okay. Try number 6. Last one that I'm going to turn you loose on this today. Find the y-intercept first. There it is. 0, 3. There's your b. Now, it goes through this point right here. Now, it goes down 1, 2. So that's negative 2. Goes to the right, 1, 2, 3. So there's your slope. So it's y equals negative 2/3 x plus 3. There's your answer.